All right, guys, we got the SimPure. This is the water filtration system. Their Y9 series. It says stay simple, stay pure. And I'm super excited for a countertop version of this so we can work at our house and just have a proper water filtration. So super excited about it. It is fragile, so be careful. This is the Y9A. And we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing, open it up here, and see what we are working with. We got a box within a box, though. Now, other thing is, I want to keep in mind, I want to make sure it fits up underneath our countertop, okay? So if we're looking, we're going to get up underneath our countertop with it. I got to get this out of here, so let me get this out real quick. All right, so we got it out of the main box and have the directions right here. So we'll be taking a look at those in a second. Let's go ahead and see what else we have going on with regards to it. So some pretty good storage here with regards to it. But I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of it out. So we got this plastic piece. And it all comes up as one unit. So let me grab that here as one unit right here so we can see what we're working with. All right, so one unit here, as you can see, and obviously fits right underneath the countertop, which is exactly what I'm looking for, which is super important with regards to it. So we're going to get this out fully and get it plugged in, get some water in it, and test it out. So you have a really nice basin on the one side, as you can see. So this is going to be our water basin on this side. But let's go ahead and see if I can get the rest of the plastic off. I like that it comes nicely packaged here. And protected. So there we have it. So a pretty cool little system itself. We're able to fill up the water basin, and it says what you're going to do on the quick start guide right here, which is really nice. So if you ever forget, you don't have to have your guide around. It says take out the water tank, refill it with tap water, put it back on, plug it in and use. And all it's going to do, so if you don't have a filter that has a water filter system, you can use this on your tabletop, right? Just like on the counter. So we do a lot of things. This might be my new fill my water jugs from and stuff like that, which I'm super excited about. You see the spout that it comes out of. Let's go ahead and pull the rest of these tapes off, and then we can see exactly what it looks like. So, all right. And then you'll be able to see how this comes off right here. So this is where we're going to be holding on the basin, and you can put all your water in. It's going to hold up to 1.3 gallons in the water section. So we can drop that back on there. So once you get that filled up, nice little holder on the side, which makes it super simple. And then we have on the other side everything else that we need. And we should be able to plug it in. So let's go ahead and get it plugged in, see if she powers on. Just like that. So a couple different things you have on here, PPC, RO, and alkaline. So it says change the water, shows that it's filtering, super simple to use. You have in the guide, which we're going to take a quick look at in the guide, just a little bit more about it. Let's go ahead and see so we can see some of the different options that's available. The life expectancy of the filter, 792 gallons. You're getting a heck of an amount of water out of this. Obviously, you'd have to put 792 gallons of water in here to filter out. Just keep that in mind. It's going to go to less than 500 parts per million, which is super important. And it works for municipal, portable tap water, or well water, meeting government drinking water standards. So it's going to filter it down for you, which is important as well. Now, on the front of this, you see all the operations and manual information. So you have your filter pre-installed. It's for T33, Y9T, alkaline, or only Y, that's for the Y9A. So we can see the rest of this stuff. So have all the details here, very easy to work with. So you unpack, fill the water tank, turn the system on into an electro outlet. You'll hear 2 beeps, and then you're going to start your stuff here. It does have UV indicator light, so it is going to do some really cool filtering with regards to it, and super simple to use. Guys, this is the SimPro, pretty awesome little system. You got to get the Y9 series if you're looking to update your water filtration system at home. Check it out.